In this video, we're gonna figure out best way to mount BlackVue camera. I've been using them for several years. This particular model is the heaviest one, and I tried a bunch of different 3M and other different tapes, and none of them work. Usually they last up to a week and then camera just falls down. There's one option on Amazon, cost $120, have really good reviews. Some kind of mount that goes here. I found this one on Amazon for $15. So I'll try to make it work with this one. As far as mounting this side, it was pretty easy. It comes with this just in case your camera is too small, but I didn't have to use that. So this side is good. That's how it looks on this side. That's how it looks now. It looks like it's pretty good. Keep in mind that if you're adjusting the mirror, the camera gonna move as well. But you can kind of adjust camera like this as well. It's been about 3 months, and so far I like this mount. Nothing special, but for $15 it holds the camera is not falling down. I'm sure this type of mount is not compatible with every single vehicle. It mounts right here on this column. Negative side obviously is if you have to move mirror. As you can see, it's part of the mirror pretty much. So if you have several drivers, that might not work greatly. But beside that, it's holding well. It's probably better for most people than that other option that costs $120 or so. But if you can afford $120 mount, that one probably gonna be better. But I can't say how well that one works. I'm happy with this one though. One downside for me is when I'm driving, I can see a little bit of the camera. Not much, but it is there. But $15 for mount that actually holds the camera in place versus spending more and more money on different variety, bunch of different 3M, Gorilla tapes, all that stuff. None of those worked for me for this particular camera. If I didn't mention it before, this camera is the one that has LTE capability. It's heavier than any other BlackVue cameras that I worked with. So for me personally, it seemed like there is no better alternative. Either this one for $15 or more expensive one for $120, but none of the tapes I tried actually worked. I'll provide Amazon affiliate links for this mount and for the more expensive mount. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you next time.